Imagine an AI that doesn't just generate art or write stories, but creates gameplay. Not just the visuals. Not just the animations. The entire game world, the physics, the mechanics, generated in real time by AI. Microsoft just introduced Muse, their first generative AI model for gameplay ideation, and this could change game development forever. Muse isn't just an AI assistant, it's an AI game creator. Developed by Microsoft Research Game Intelligence and Teachable AI Experiences, (TAX), in collaboration with Xbox Game Studios' Ninja Theory, Muse is a world and human action model, WHAM, an AI that can generate realistic game visuals, predict and animate controller actions, simulate entire gameplay sequences. And the craziest part? Muse learns directly from real human gameplay data. It has been trained on over 1 billion images and controller actions, equivalent to 7 years of continuous gameplay data from Ninja Theory's game Bleeding Edge. This AI doesn't just imagine how a game might play. It knows. Let's break down exactly what Muse is capable of. First, predictive gameplay. Muse can take just 1 second of human gameplay and generate an entire multi-minute sequence of what happens next. This isn't just guesswork, it follows game physics, movement patterns, and real mechanics. Second, generating new game sequences. Developers can now use Muse to prototype new ideas faster than ever. Want to test a new combat mechanic? A new level design? A new interaction? Instead of manually coding and animating it, Muse generates the entire sequence. Third, AI-powered creativity. Muse isn't just about mimicking gameplay, it's about unlocking new ways to create. With the WHAM demonstrator, developers can input a game image, modify elements, and see how Muse evolves the game world in response. This means you can edit gameplay itself, just like editing an image in Photoshop. Imagine adding a new character, a new enemy, or a new objective, and watching the AI adjust the entire game environment accordingly. Muse isn't just an experiment, it's a glimpse into the future of gaming. For decades, games have been built around hard-coded rules and static mechanics. But what happens when those mechanics evolve dynamically? What happens when game worlds grow and change based on player choices? Stories adapt in real time, never playing the same way twice? AI doesn't just design levels, it plays alongside you, creating challenges on the fly? Muse isn't just generating gameplay, it's rethinking what gameplay even means. And that's just the beginning. Right now, Muse is trained on Bleeding Edge, but imagine this applied to open-world RPGs, where the AI generates new quests dynamically. Racing games, where AI creates unique tracks every time you play. Fighting games, where AI invents new combos and techniques in real time. This is the liquid content revolution, where AI doesn't just generate assets, but actively shapes gameplay itself. And Microsoft isn't keeping this locked away. Muse's open-source weights and sample data are now available to researchers and developers on Azure AI Foundry. That means we are about to see an explosion of AI-generated games, mechanics, and entirely new experiences. So the real question is, are we ready for AI to start designing the future of gaming? Muse is just the beginning. As models like this evolve, we could be looking at a new era of gaming, where no two playthroughs are ever the same. What do you think? Is AI-powered gameplay the future of game development, or just a stepping stone? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this exciting, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the future of gaming is happening right now.